Our goal is to give everyone a 5-star experience. And it's great to know that our efforts are so appreciated. Here's a fantastic review we're happy to share right now. As you can see, our staff focuses on providing top quality service. We work one-on-one with every individual to ensure we meet their expectations. Complete satisfaction is extremely important to our company. Great reviews aside, we enjoy earning these from everyone, so we want to show you how our extensive experience and superior service can help you. So why wait? Contact us at the number on your screen today and find out for yourself what everyone's raving about.